Subscribe for my channel Amol Ujagre and hit the bell icon for latest update.
How to be productive as an office worker. As an office worker, we all try to be more productive and hit the bullseye with our full potential and dedication. If you love what you are doing, you must have a kick getting up from the bed and starting your day. Over a time, we feel fatigue and sometimes we can't meet the expectation. And for that, you need to focus on some steps to be more productive and be self-satisfied along with getting praised by your boss. To accomplish the highest peak and squeeze the office hours most productively, you can either do hard work or think smart and work accordingly. In today's video, we will discuss some beneficial productive hacks to make your office life smoother and better. The first one, be on time and fabricate a plan. Before starting any work, it's very crucial to make a plan that becomes more handy and makes one more productive. Whenever you start a task, first understand the requirements and then make a rough plan of methodology and time duration required to complete that task. Another important thing is to be time bound, meaning being on the office desk before 10 minutes of the starting the project hour is much more effective than making a hurry and reaching the office after 5 minutes of commencing the project. Next thing is write down the time spending for each task. Just doing the task is not enough or it will not be helpful to be productive. You also need to keep account of your time spent of task, what you are doing. That will help you to understand how you perform regularly and eventually it will help you to do the task more smoothly and effectively. There are many apps out there over internet that will help you to understand the duration of the time of the dedicated task. Right? For example, TickTick is one of them. I use it. Then work on segment-wise method with periodic breaks. To be more productive and efficient, you need to work smartly with sequential breaks involved. You can use different method for sequential workflow with periodic gaps to get the most out of the time you dedicate to the work assigned. To be the apple of the one's eye, you need to work with full attention and efforts. In some research, it is found that one can have attention and concentration on the particular topic for at least 90 minutes. After that, focus gradually decreases. So you can work for 90 minutes with full dedication and after that don't feel guilty about taking breaks. Breaks are necessary as concentration on project because without giving peace, relaxation and freshness to mind for a moment can dramatically decrease the quality of your work. Next is focus on single project at a time or focus on a single task at a time. Most office workers perceive that multitasking and juggling through different things at once can make them more productive and be able to do more fruitful tasks. Whereas the truth is concentrating on a single task at once is far better than doing hundreds of tasks in any instance. So try to complete the task before starting the new one and it will help you better. The next is always try to be a learner and cooperative person. Instead of having a proper education and training before starting life as an office worker, we get stuck many times while doing some conceptual or unique tasks. You show respect to your seniors and be ready to learn from them. And you can always learn from the mistakes of the others. So don't feel ashamed in asking help from senior. This will help you to create healthy bond with your senior and eventually with your boss. Craft a self-disciplined routine with deadline. We all feel pressure when deadlines are very near. Some people gain remarkable results at that period as they can perform best in the stress situation. On the contrary, the vast majority of the people can't perform well in such a conditions. So if you create a schedule and stick to it in your mind, and most importantly, if you can follow that schedule, you can surely see miracles happening in the upcoming future. This tip will revolutionize the work process and quality of task provided by you. Next one is, don't try to be perfectionist in every aspect. We as a human being can't be perfectionist at every time. You need to focus on the task while doing it, and after giving your best, forget about it. And if any problem arises, then you can definitely rectify the problems without any stumbling blocks. Office workers are often seen trying to make a task perfect and beyond compare. But the truth is, only machine can do the task almost perfectly. Even machines can't always do the flawless work. So don't waste your time just to make the task perfect. No need to think about the castles in the air. Come out of the paramnesia and be productive. Next is, avoid interruption while working. Now don't confuse with taking breaks and interruption. Having a short 5 minutes of an unnecessary break with the colleagues in gossiping or checking the notification on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter can make your workflow disrupted. It can lead to delay in the task, and it's harder to get back on the same path with the same mentality and thought process. That's why if you just turn off the notification of your device and just focus on the task assigned, you can provide not only the best result but also the fastest delivery at the same time. Make achievable targets and a to-do list. Creating goals to be accomplished for today is an effective way to be more serious and productive about your work life. And when it comes to creating goals, that means achievable. Real goals do not need to be pressurized so much by creating the unrealistic goal. If you make unrealistic goals that can't be achieved today, you'll feel disheartened at the end of the day, and this will make you feel guilty. That's why it is important to understand what it means to create a to-do list and a goal, where a to-do list should be created based on the goal set for today, and it should be realistic. Don't procrastinate and do the task immediately. Coming to the office with big shell of expectation in the back can make you untangled about what to do or from where you should start. That creates procrastination and eventually leaving one or two tasks behind the others. So it is better not to have much expectations and do the task immediately without leaving the time idle or stressfully. You can use the famous 2-minute rule. If you feel any task can be done within 2 minutes, you can do just task instantly. You need not procrastinate. Rather, you should do the task immediately. This will help you to do the task promptly. Next is, eat healthy and do meditation. Continuous working can make you stressed. So always take lunch, afternoon snacks, and most importantly, don't hesitate to gossip with colleagues. Just stop working at that time and have some break. Similarly, meditation can be a game changer for you as it removes your fatigue. It refreshes your mind and makes you to feel productive and happy. And the last one, organize your workspace. No one likes to work in an unorganized workspace, whether students or office workers. So you must make your desk neat and clean. Organize before starting the work. Adding greenery and bringing nature to office space can quite be useful, as greeneries make us feel pleasant and concentrate on workflow. So do consider having greeneries like small plants in your workspace. You can also use some personal stuff that makes you feel proud of yourself and boosts your stamina and willpower to complete any task, any trophy or anything that happened best in your life. So these are the few useful tips to be considered while working in the office. And now you can understand the steps to be productive. Being productive makes you an asset for the brand you are working with, and your value just get fuel to start the engine or traveling around the galaxy with its optimum speed. So try to follow these tips to be more productive as an office worker. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. Also share this with your friends and colleagues. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. If you want to attend my automation workshop, check the schedule. The link is given in the description. This was Amol Uzagre signing off. Thank you very much.